What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your profile picture on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your device. While on the home screen, tap the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will bring you to the menu page where you will see multiple options. At the top of this page, tap on your name to navigate to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap on your profile picture. A list of options will appear at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap See Profile Picture to view your current profile picture in full. Before removing your profile picture, I recommend saving it to your device in case you want to use it again in the future. To do this, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and select Save to Phone. This will download the image to your device's photo library. Now that your profile picture is saved, tap the three dots again and this time select Delete Photo. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Delete to confirm and your profile picture will be removed. Once the picture is deleted, swipe down to refresh your profile page. You'll now see that your profile picture has been removed, leaving the default Facebook avatar in its place. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.